Good morning, friends, and happy Vlogmas day 14. I think it is day 14. Today is Monday, and this is the start of Vlogmas week 3 already. It is crazy to me that it is already the 14th. Like, 2020 is almost over. Not that I'm very mad about that. Let's just get it over with. But yeah, time just flies by way too fast. But I just got out of the shower and I'm about to film a makeup declutter video. So I don't really need to like do my makeup for that. So I'm going to start on that. Then I also have to go to the post office, to the bank. So yeah, we have a lot to do today. But I'm going to start off by filming my video. Hello friends, so it is time for a little update. It is now almost 5:30 in the evening, and as you guys saw, my mom and I were making gingerbread cookies. The dough is now actually rising in the fridge, so I will show you guys once we get to cutting them and putting them in the oven and stuff like that. But for now I am finishing up Vlogmas week 2 on my computer, so I still have quite a bit of work to do on that. And I also wanted to show you guys, hold on, that yesterday I uploaded a new video. So that video is my cozy winter try on haul, so definitely check it out if you can. I also uploaded Vlogmas week 1, a Too Faced holiday review, so if you can and you want to binge some videos, definitely check out my latest ones. But for now I'm going to finish up Vlogmas week 2, enjoy my little Christmas tree, and I will see you guys later in the vlog, of course. Good morning friends, and happy Vlogmas day 15. It is currently almost 11 in the morning, and I just got ready as you guys saw. I'm about to leave and go to my boyfriend's place. Tuesdays are his days off, and I always make sure that Tuesdays I am also off because we only have one day a week together. So yeah, I am on my way to my boyfriend's. and I think we might go shopping again. We went last week, but it was kind of a fail, so we might go shopping again today, of course being very safe and taking all the necessary precautions, but I think that is what we are going to do today. I'm also wearing my new sweater from Other Stories, which I hauled in my last fashion haul, which is already up on my channel, so if you want to check it out, definitely check it out. But yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and go to my boyfriend's place.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday.
Good morning guys, and happy Vlogmas day 17. Again, my mind is blown knowing that Christmas is almost here. That is just insane. But yeah, it is almost 9 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, my hair is still wet. I got out of the shower, did my makeup, and I am ready to go ahead and leave to work. I am so sorry that these vlogs are kind of boring because I have to work all day long, and I feel like these vlogs are getting kind of repetitive and I am doing the same things all over. But yeah, I said I would do Vlogmas. I'm going to pull through, but I did get an APR package, and then I also ordered coffee, which I wanted to show you guys because I got a free mug and it is so beautiful. So this is the coffee I ordered. It is the Starbucks Holiday Blend Limited Edition, and when you bought 2 packages of these, you got this beautiful mug for free. So these 2 with shipping cost me like 12 euros, and then I got this one for free. And if you know Starbucks and you've already bought a mug from Starbucks, then you know that with 12 euros you wouldn't even be able to buy a mug from Starbucks, and here you get free coffee with it. So that is really amazing. So I thought I would share. I will leave the link down below to the website where I bought these from, in case you wanted to snack up on the mug and the coffee as well. But I thought this was such a steal. So yeah, I had to share this. And then yesterday I received a PR package from Essence, and these were all the goodies that were in it. So we have eyeshadow, foundation, mascara, primer, a spray, and as you can see, it is almost all gone. That is because it spilled all over the package, which was such a bummer. But yeah, we have some lipsticks, bronzer, and I am going to film a tutorial with these. Most of these products I already reviewed in my Essence video that I posted I think a few weeks ago. So if you wanted to know my thoughts on any of these, then definitely check out that video. But yeah, I thought I would mention this as well. Good morning guys, and happy Vlogmas day 18. My hair is looking crazy, but it is now 9:20 in the morning and I am about to head on over to work. I still have to drop something off in the mailbox, post office box, however you want to say it, and I forgot to close my door. Hold on. Alright, the door is closed. But as I was saying, I am about to head on over to the post mailbox thingy majigger, and then I am about to head on over to work. I don't know if my camera will stay in place without falling. I really don't know. Okay, so the answer was definitely no. My camera just fell. So I am going to stop vlogging now because this is really dangerous, and I will see you guys in the next clip, I guess. Hello friends, good morning. Well, it is not morning anymore. It is almost 2 in the afternoon. But happy Vlogmas day 20. Only 4 more days until Christmas Eve. That is absolutely crazy to me. But as you can see, I just got out of the shower. My hair is still wet. I am, however, wearing my comfy teddy hoodie because it is my day off. Today is Sunday, which is actually the last day that I am vlogging for Vlogmas week 3. And then I am on to the last week of Vlogmas, which is absolutely insane. But yeah, today I have a couple of things that I want to do. First, I'm going to go and look at some home decor stores, and then also I want to wrap up all of my Christmas gifts. But aside from that, today is just going to be a very relaxed and chill day, but I will definitely take you guys along. I know this week's Vlogmas has been kind of all over the place and boring, But honestly, I think the other 2 weeks have been as well. So yeah, I apologize in advance. Maybe I am not the best vlogger, I don't know, but I just love doing it. So I'm just going to continue on vlogging, even though my life is very boring. But now I'm going to grab my stuff and head on over to the stores and hope it is not too busy, because if it is too busy, of course I'm going to skip on that. We don't want to risk anything. But yeah, that is the plan for today.
Start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.